Decarbonising electricity and transportation are widely being addressed. Rotaheat is here today to end up showing how we are arguably addressing one of the biggest energy problems to decarbonise heat generation. Typically, generated through the combustion of fossil fuels, heat accounts for around about half of all energy consumed and is a material contributor to carbon emissions. Good morning, my name is Robert Thompson, Chief Executive of Rotaheat, and I'm here today to warm up your interest in Rotaheat and our clean heat generation technology on display today. The ETI and others believe that in order to meet decarbonisation commitments, we need to move away from fossil fuels, totally away, to either nuclear or renewable energy. The problem is a global problem, as we've recognised through the interest we've received from companies in North America, Eastern Europe and Asia. Our approach represents a new category of generating heat. The technology relies on motive power sources to move a conductor through magnetic fields and induce heat in a fluid. Today, we're generating heat at in excess of 100 Celsius and have the capability to extend that to over 300 Celsius. Importantly, we do not generate any electricity, avoiding all of the inefficiencies associated. Our current product platforms, we've got two product platforms, are incredibly flexible and scalable and intended to operate between 3 kilowatts to in excess of 250 kilowatts. The results are outstanding. A low footprint, compact footprint, efficiency significantly in excess of 95%, zero carbon emissions, and importantly, a cost in a fully installed amortised system comparable to gas. Our business model incorporates B2B product sales, averaging around £20,000 per unit, royalties, licensing, and a build, own, operate service model, all intended to drive in excess of 30 million revenues in the midterm. Our technology can be applied to a wide range of markets. To illustrate some of the examples of requests that we've received in recent weeks, that includes integrating in with a hydro technology to provide heat for a mushroom farm, a very similar application that compares to the site hosting our open day 2 weeks ago, and to increase the range of electric vehicles by providing an alternative approach to providing passenger comfort. The common thread is cost, decarbonisation being a secondary benefit. 3 years ago, I agreed to lead Rotaheat, bringing in my engineering and commercial expertise, and the reason being I was absolutely stunned by the elegant and simple solution to what is a growing and material problem. Andy Tulloch, Rotaheat's founder, is a serial entrepreneur who has led the transfer of technologies out of the Ministry of Defence, Warwick and Aston universities. Our team is supported by a group of senior advisors with a pedigree including Rolls-Royce, the Green Investment Bank, DERA and Emerson Electric. For a small UK company, we've made impressive progress. We've recognised first customer revenues, secured our IP with 3 patent families being granted, adopted a low overhead business model with a network of collaborators including Cranfield University, and gained the Innovate UK assistance to help build and evaluate our latest platform. Rotaheat offers a strong alternative to producing heat from combustion technologies. By 2021, we expect to displace over 100,000 tonnes of carbon emissions. Our next planned commercialisation step is to focus on light industrial and agricultural markets. And to accelerate realising our revenue goals, we're actively seeking additional reference sites and £400,000 to drive early sales growth. Rotaheat, zero carbon heat. Do come and meet with us outside in the exhibition hall. Thank you.